Hi there, hello, how are you? Hope you're having an absolutely spooky Halloween season so far. Today we are going to be opening up another Halloween mystery box. So this one's gonna be a weird one. This one's gonna be creepy and weird and the most unique out of all of the mystery boxes that I have ever unboxed on this channel, but especially so for the Halloween ones. I have done 3 other mystery boxes. I did Spooky Doodle Club, freaking awesome. Treeks, another one, freaking awesome. I will link both of those up in the eye down below. Those ones are in the $25 range, and then I jumped and I went to Graveyard Offerings, which was a $75. By the way, these all came from Etsy. $75 Etsy Halloween mystery box. I feel like a lot of you agreed with me on the valuation of the box and the price point of it. I'll link that one down below as well, because who doesn't like to see a train wreck sometimes? I don't think it was entirely a train wreck. I don't know. When I was done editing the video, I was thinking to myself, I was maybe a little bit nicer than I even should have been in the video, because I love to give the benefit of the doubt or the silver lining, or that I don't actually know the price value of certain things that could be in the box. I don't know. Beyond all that, I had asked in that video, because Graveyard Offerings had so many different levels of Halloween mystery boxes, all the way from $25 to $220, if I should get one of their $25 boxes and see if it was comparable. Well, this is not that. They were completely sold out, unfortunately, but I found even better. I think this is going to be one that it'll be so cool. I think this one's the most legit Halloween mystery box that there could actually be. So this came from Sin's World of Weird. It was a little bit more expensive. It was $38. I did end up paying $2.28 for sales tax, but no shipping and handling on it. So the shop itself has 142 sales, and they had 44 really amazing reviews. So 4.9 overall. And the picture is just of a baby doll in a box, but the baby doll looks like it was found on the floor in the corner of some old asylum. Okay, so the description says it'll contain 5 strange items, such as real animal bones, skulls, insects, vintage Halloween decor, plants, objects, Halloween themed items, and antiques. I'm so intrigued by this one. And it's the Creepy Halloween Mystery Box of Oddities, a perfect gift for someone who loves oddities and all things Halloween. Reviews just say my fiance was freaked out by this gift, which is exactly what I wanted to happen. The little ghost is super cute. Thanks for that surprise. Super weird and creepy. We enjoyed the whole thing. Thank you. Shay says, Halloween is my favorite holiday and my friends love it as well. I sent a box to one and she just thought it was super unique and really rad. Totally recommend. So yeah, absolutely amazing reviews. So let's dig in. Little bat confettis and stuff are falling out of here, which is so cute. Immediate first reaction, I'm smacked in the face with the smell of incense, so I think we'll just grab that first. This says Vampire Blood Incense, Premium Vampire Extract, 15 grams per incense. I don't actually know anything about incense. I had an aunt who smoked a lot of weed when I was little, who used to burn these all the time. So whenever I get one, it's like an immediate nostalgic connection to Aunt Sue's house. All right, next up, I feel like maybe I shouldn't just like, put my hand inside the box, because what if I just grab out a skull? I'm okay with that. I grew up out in the country. My dad is a hunter. I've been around all of that kind of stuff all the time. But I don't know about like a mystery skull in a box to just, I don't know. Is this something? Oh, it is. We have what appears to be either stone or like acrylic. Let's see. I think it's actually stone. It's like a moon-shaped opal piece. It's totally flat on the other side. All right, and then we have, it could be a Christmas ornament. I'm sure it's meant to actually just hang from a nail or a hook, but it's a pumpkin wearing a witch hat, and it has bat wings, and it just kind of has like this overall vibe of like being like handmade and old. Oh, there's a little note, and it's like a scroll in here. Oh, it tells us what's in it. I'll get that last. Next up, it looks like we have, oh shoot, a candle, and it has lavender in it, so I don't love that. It does have little like lavender buds and dried orange pieces. It's okay. It kind of doesn't smell so much like lavender. I don't know what it is. That's like the main smell, but this box isn't as weird as I was hoping it was going to be. I wanted it to be really weird. We have something wrapped up in tissue, which could be very strange. We've already opened 4 things, so this might be the very last thing in here because it said 5 things, right? Okay, now we got to the weird. I think this might be a gopher, but we have a skull. Doesn't it look like a Siberian tiger skull? Honestly, like my very first reaction was, oh my gosh, it's prehistoric, like a Siberian tiger. It's got the weirdest teeth in the entire world though. Isn't that kind of crazy? And of course it's missing its lower jaw bone portion, but you have the gist of it. I'm wondering how many people are going to ask, where did the skull come from? And honestly, it could come from anything, but we have skulls in our garage. My parents have skulls in their garage just merely from walking through the wooded areas, and creatures die and you see it and it's kind of cool. So we already have a few. We have what my dad thought was a squirrel, a rabbit, and like maybe a chipmunk or something like that. We have a couple different skulls in our garage. I know, weird. And we'll just have to add this one to the skull collection. Okay, so overall $38, promises 5 different things. It's supposed to be creepy and odd. I think I definitely from the listing got a much creepier vibe from it. I was expecting a headless doll or maybe just a doll head with some sort of like crackling or hand painting, or I don't even know what I was expecting. I'm still just holding on to this guy right here. Hi. I don't know necessarily if I was expecting any specific things to be in here, but in my brain it was like if Kurt Cobain's messed up brain before Courtney Love killed him. I read a couple books of his and he had some thoughts. He had some kind of like dark, demented kind of feels to him. That's what I felt like what this box is going to be. I also high-buyed it, which is standard of me to order something like this that I literally can't use. But I think they're so much fun. So value-wise, I mean, we got incense, we got like kind of a carved crystal, a candle, the ornament, and the skull. I feel like it is honestly the $38 value. Plus I didn't pay for shipping, so that came out of this as well. And then there was like a little scroll. It says, this is an orange and lavender candle. Oh, this is a beaver skull. Beaver skull, vampire blood incense, Halloween ornament, opal moonstone is what this is called. So beaver skull, now we know. Now we know. I will leave the link to this shop. I'll leave a link to this box down below. Obviously, it's not an affiliate link or anything like that. I don't think that I used a coupon code, but if I do find one for the shop, I will be sure to put that down below as well. When I was just on there looking at it, it said that there were only 2 of these left, although I think that there might be some other things in this shop as well, so maybe some different sizes. I don't know. Like I said, I high-buyed it. I don't know. I grabbed something that was comparable in price. It looked really cool. It looked really creepy, and here we are. So that's it. That's everything that I have for you all today. Thank you all so damn much for being here. I hope that your Halloween is absolutely amazing. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. Thank you. Shout out to all of my patrons for being the most wonderful people in the entire world. I'll leave the link to subscribe over here. I'll link to my Patreon over here. 2 videos over here for you to watch next, and I'll see you next time. Love ya. Bye.